For some plants, a pollinator, such as the bees that you can see on the raspberry plants here, are very important. It's not always bees, sometimes it's things like hummingbirds. As you can see, a lot of the flowers on these have already stopped developing and become immature raspberries. And fruit development has started. Ultimately, before seeds become viable seeds, first they will be included or encapsulated in fruit. Fruits come in all different forms. Strawberries are a strange example because they actually develop their seeds on the outside of the fruit. Grass is a strange example. They don't have showy flowers at all. In fact, these are the grass flowers. They rely just on the wind for pollination, and then the tops develop into seeds, which sometimes animals eat, but they're just different. The age-old argument is what's a fruit and what's a vegetable. And what we'll learn is that the part that we eat off these lettuce plants is the leaf. So typically people who talk about the difference between a fruit and a vegetable are talking about, is this something that's developing with a seed inside of it, or is it a different part of the plant? Here's some spinach. Guess what? We're also eating the leaf. So technically that's why people would call it a vegetable. But these are going to be broccoli plants. At some point in time, in the center of the leaves, we'll develop a broccoli flower. And before the flower blooms, that's the part that we eat. So is that a fruit? Most people would say broccoli is a vegetable. Baby grape clusters develop like this on the plants, and eventually we'll have seeds. And the plant basically has to hope that someday something will come along and eat it and spread the seeds.